Hi, today we're going to be talking about the Beanstack Tracker App and how to log days for the 2020 Summer at Your Library Challenge. To log days in books, click on the blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. You can log activities, reading, and reviews, but for the 2020 Summer at Your Library Challenge, we are logging by days. Select the reading icon even if you have done one of the suggested activities. You can use any one of these options to log which books you are reading, but the easiest way is to use the log a day, minutes, or pages only to quick log your reading or activities. The most important thing to do is to log the date. This is how you track your 20 minutes of reading or suggested activity for the challenge. You can log for the current day, or you can change the date. For example, we will change it to June 8th. You can also log your minutes or pages if you want to keep track of that information as well. When you're done, just click Finish, and you're done. Your reading has been logged.